Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can download DaVinci Resolve 16 for free on your PC or laptop. So that's exactly what I did the other day. And right now, I'm actually editing videos in DaVinci Resolve. So all you need to do is go to Google and then search for download DaVinci Resolve, and then you can click right here. Now next up, you'll find the website right there, Blackmagic Design, and you want to click on that. So this is the official website, and this is where you can download it. All you need to do is press download right there and then select which one you want to download. So you can go with the basic one or the studio one. Now I'm currently using, let's see, the basic one. So choose whether you want to download this for Mac, Windows or Linux. I'm going to go with Windows, and it should then ask you for all your details. So I'll enter my information right now, and then I'll actually download the file and I'll show you how you can install it. Okay, so once you fill in that information, it should automatically start downloading a file. Now you can see that right now it started downloading that file, and I'll get back to you once this is actually downloaded. And there you go. So the file just completed, and this is the file. Now all you need to do is click on the application right there, double click, and you can then start installing DaVinci Resolve 16. It's actually quite simple. Now because I already have this, it's not going to let me install it once again, but that's pretty much all you need to do. So open up that application, follow all the steps on here. They're literally going to show you what you need to do. All you need to do basically is click on next and then click on install and select where you want to save it and all of that good stuff. And you'll then be able to install and open DaVinci Resolve just like me, and you can then start editing in DaVinci Resolve. So if this quick video helped you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. That would help me out. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.